Consumers can't tell the difference between a good shop and a bad shop, so stop judging them for choosing the bad shop over yours. It's so easy to look at a consumer and believe that they know about our industry like we know about our industry, but the reality is they don't know about our industry. They don't understand the processes, they don't understand the policies, they don't understand the procedures, they don't understand what we go through on a daily basis to make this industry what it is. And they don't understand that there are manipulative, less than legitimate operators out there. They don't understand that there's a difference between the super cheap mobile mechanic that's not trying to take care of their problem, has no knowledge about what it is they're talking about, and a good shop or a good mobile mechanic. They don't know. And here's the thing. It is your responsibility as an automotive professional to educate them. It is your responsibility as an automotive professional to help them understand how the industry is supposed to work and show them exactly what they should be expecting. And you do this by leading by example. Every single day when you work with a client, you must be on your nines. You must be hitting the mark with your consumers and teaching them what it is that automotive repair is supposed to look like. That's just my opinion. I would love for you to drop down into the comments and tell me, is it frustrating when you see some of these consumers go to a less than stellar auto repair shop, or they compare you, this awesome shop with all of these amenities, all of these benefits, to a shop that has no amenities, no benefits, and they're just super cheap? I know it frustrates me half to death, but I'd love to know your thoughts on it down in the comments below.